Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows security tips and tricks. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you want to stop an old application from accessing some of the files, memory, and vital information on your Windows PC, you need to enable control file access on your Windows PC to block unauthorized access to app or unauthorized access of apps to some of the file, memories, and the rest in your Windows PC. This is one of the great security you can enable right now on your Windows PC to block unauthorized access to some of files and folder by different or no application on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here, so come down below right here, go ahead and right click on your window menu, and then next thing you want to do is to navigate to settings right here. Then you want to make sure you come down below right here, go to privacy and security right here, then proceed to Windows security right here. And then it's going to load up right here. Go ahead and click on virus and threat protections right here, virus and threat protection. And then it's going to load to the interface of Windows security dashboard right here. And it's going to take you right here. Then scroll down right here until you get to virus and threat protection settings. Then all you have to do right here is to go ahead and click on manage settings. And then he's going to take you right here. Simply scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to control folder access. Go ahead and click on manage control folder access right here. And it's going to take you right here. All you have to do is to simply turn on this button right here. Then go ahead and give Windows security right here. And you are done. Then here, block history protection folder, allow app through control folder access. So you can click on block history right here. Then go ahead and click on filters. Then you can block as many as possible in different options under the filter right here. Then come back right here, go ahead and click on protected folder. Then make sure you click on yes, give Windows security. Then here you can upload different folder that you want to block right here, such as document and picture, etc., video file, music file, as the case may be. Everything depends on the kind of folder that you want to block from having authorized access by unknown apps. So you can simply click on add protected folder right here. Then select and upload whatever folder you want to protect in right here. Select on the folder and click on select folder, and the folder is going to be found right here. Then go ahead and come back right here. You have allow on app through control folder access. Click on here and then go ahead and give Windows access right here. What are the apps and folder you want to allow to have access to some of your information? You can go ahead and click on add and allow app right here. Recently app or browse all apps that you have on your Windows PC. Then it's going to take you right here. You can select any of the apps that you are fully trust that you can have access to some of the files and folder on your Windows PC. Go ahead and select them and click on open, and then it's going to be successfully added right here. You can add as many as possible apps in this category right here, and then you are done. It's that simple. And this is one of the best security you can give to your Windows PC right now, to give different kind of access to different kind of apps based on how you trust them on your Windows PC. For more useful tutorial about Windows security settings like this, consider to hit on that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.